How new is that one?
Callouts Rising?
Yeah.
Last week. Brand new.
Is it even supposed to be out?
Yeah, came out last week.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We had the pre-release a couple weekends ago and everything.
Oh. Wait, can I get one of those then?
Sure. Do you want the ETB, the booster bundle, pack?
ETB.
Sure. I'll be over here.
Thank you.
Just the one for you?
Yeah. Thank you. Don't worry, I'm not using it to scam you or anything.
Again, it's just that it's the...
Yeah, I understand, yeah. I know that's an issue.
You become my friend.
Thank you. Oh, can I have a receipt back as well?
Sure.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I am ready. What? What's happening?
Even beard, you are so strange. He'll take one. That's the dead one. Oh. Yeah, that's good.
This one we can open here, I guess.
What the fuck?
Alright, we're gonna open this thing. Chaos Rising, Mega Evolution. I'm gonna open it with house keys. Hopefully I didn't damage anything important by stabbing it on the side. I'm just making sure I get good footage so I can at least like milk a short out of this. Money. I keep turning it upside down because the thing is upside down. Oh, it's just a guide on how to play the game. Yeah, you can suck on it. Ooh. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is the thing that comes with it. Energy, big stack energy. Take a look at the coin. It's a glittery piece of nonsense. There we go. All right. I'm not gonna move anything to the front just to see like what kind of thing we're dealing with here. Okay. Remoraid, Pat Rat, Vulpix, oh, Sliggoo, Roxy, Delibird, Red Card, Stunky, Baltoy, Trevenant. And for those interested, this is the code. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this. Bangin', second thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Bang, show the code. Energy to the side. Turn it around. Sliggoo, Emolga, Quillfish, Litleo, clinging to a branch, Skuntank, Deoxys, Octillery, Anchefloet. Oh! This is probably worth a good, like, at least $5. I'm not gonna lie. I'll let you see it. It's a Dragalge. Okay. I think that's the formula I'm going with here. So that I'm just gonna open this. Code. Energy. To the side. Beldum. Flaffy. Octillery. Kakuna. Transformation Tome. Avalugg. Sudowoodo. Garbodor. Oh!
What is it?
Ampharos, and I got a full art.
Nice.
It's a full art Ampharos. This is at least like, I'm gonna guess like $10. Just look at him.
Oh, this is $10.
This is 10?
This is 10.
Maybe it's viable, I'm not sure.
No, this.
Okay, be a little more careful with this one. This one's a full art. I'm gonna guesstimate, since it's new, like 12-ish. Someone opened a Greninja in front of me earlier. I want to just die.
This card is $30.
$30?
Yeah.
Wait, that's... Okay, probably just because it's new. Code.
Actually, I'm worth more, but...
Energy to the side. Flip it over. Phanpy, Flaffy, Vulpix, Remoraid, Ferrothorn, Deoxys, Transformation Tome, Fennekin, Weedle, Crobat. Compared to the previous few, it's definitely not a highlight.
We got 2 hits, so
Preferably it keeps going. Realistically though, I know it's not really... I realistically, most of the ETB is probably exhausted. I'm not sure, I've never opened an ETB before in my life. Code, Energy, Flip, Ferroseed, Watchog, Phanpy, Great Hall, Tauros, Transformation, ooh, Deoxys, and a reverse Delphox. Okay. What? What is this? What is this? Okay. Code. Is that gonna make it into the video? I don't think it can.
What we
Then,
do here is go back,
Energy.
back.
Flip. Octopus. Barnacle. Fox. Maggot. Alien. Paris. Fox. Rat.
is this high?
No. Okay, well, here's the thing. People wanted the, okay, I mean, everything that's on the box art is obviously good, but people want the alt art version of this, which is what the guy got this morning, but this is obviously not that. And in the reverse, we have a chestnut.
But what do you mean?
What? What? You're fucking joking. This is the... No way, what? Are you serious? This is the alt art? This is... You're telling me this is the full art?
Yeah.
So I could pay... Oh my god, I could pay you back right now.
Yeah.
But do I want to sell it though?
I mean, we can sell this card and cut it in half.
Yeah, I guess, but wait. I haven't decided yet, so first things first. Now I'm mad that I didn't, like, open it with, like, a good camera setup, but, like, I'm happy that we were both here to experience it. There we go. First things first. Yeah, I could probably grade this. What the fuck? Okay.
Yeah, so you sold.
Okay, this is getting out of here. Holy shit, the ground is shaking. My hands are quaking. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Total win.
Yes, I opened the last two album this week.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
That's an EX.
yeah. But that's kind of cute, huh?
Huge. Also, bubbly energy. And Gudra. I got a reverse Gudra.
Well, I mean, who cares? That's the alt art.
I can't believe we pulled 2 fucking alt arts in 1 ETB.
No, that's alt art.
This is... I can't fucking believe we got that. And here's the last one. So here's the Adam Cole last shot. Basic energy. Turn it around. Trubbish. Litleo. Wimpod. Pumpkaboo. Galissapod. Claydol. Tranquility. Ooh. Wimpod again. Phantump. Bubbly energy.
That's it.
And I'm afraid that's the end of it.
Well, you don't have to blow your brains out.
Conclusion. No need to blow my brains out. No need to blow my head smooth off. Absolute win. Go gamble. Go gamble. Gamble. Waste your money.
Scam everyone.
Scam everyone you know. Everyone and leave. You are a king. GG. The end. I'm ending this video.